Hey everyone, welcome to your Tech Doc. Today, we're going to see how to copy a text from an image. Okay, let's start. First thing first, open the Google Chrome Web Store. You can find the link to extension right here on the screen. If you need help finding it, just click the link in the description below. In the search bar, type CopyFish. This extension is designed to help you extract text from images, PDFs, and more. Once you find it, click Add to Chrome to install it. Great, the extension is now installed. Let's give it a try. Select the extension name to activate it. Now, you'll see a prompt to select the area where you want to extract the text. Just drag your cursor over, and there you go. The text has been extracted and displayed. You can even edit it if it needed. I hope this video was helpful. So help me with hitting the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. See ya.